and Bill Yates and Bill Emerson, all those guys. They cut a wide swath through the country back in the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. I'm pretty sure you'll recognize this one. I'm going to be like Del McCurry and not tell you what it is, but let's see if you know what it is. I was driving down a lonely road, dark and stormy night, when a little girl by the roadside showed up in my headlight. I stopped and she got in back and in a shaky tone, she said, "My name's Mary, please won't you take me home?" She must have been so frightened, all alone there in the night. There was something strange about her, her face was deathly white. She sat so pale and quiet in the back seat all alone. I never will forget that night I took Mary home. I pulled into the driveway where she told me to go. Got out to help her from the car and opened up the door. But I just could not believe my eyes, 'cause the back seat was bare. I looked all around the car, but Mary wasn't there. The light shone from the porch, someone opened up the door. Asked about the little girl that I was looking for. The lady gently smiled and brushed a tear away. She said, "It sure was nice of you to go out of your way." 13 years ago today, a wreck just down the road. Our darling Mary lost her life, and we miss her so. So thank you for your trouble and the kindness you have shown.